Welcome to our Dakis University series on using our e-commerce products and services. I'm Matt from Dakis, and today we're going to look at how to open a new store using the Dakis Unified Commerce solution. First, let's log in to our mydakis account. You'll want to log into the account as a user with either a buyer or owner's permissions. Now that we're logged into our accounts with the right permissions, we can get started. In the left-hand menu, there is a settings icon. Let's click that now. Under the settings drop-down menu that opens up, we can see an option for stores. Let's go ahead and click that now. This will open up the store settings page in our mydakis account. In the top right-hand corner of the page, there is an orange Add New Store button. Let's click that now. This will open the Configure New Store page. Let's click into the Store Name field to add our store name. I'm going to name it the Mighty Boss Store, but your own naming may vary. Next, we'll check either the default printing store, online store, or production center checkboxes. Checking default printing store will set this store to receive print orders that are shipped to your customer. Note, you can only have one default printing store set at a time. For online store, checking this option will send all online hardgood orders to this store to be shipped to the customer. Note you can only have one online store set at a time. Lastly, we have the production center/warehouse option. If we set this option, it will set the store to be invisible to the customer. It will not appear in the store finder nor in checkout as a pickup location. This is useful when your store isn't accessible to the public or when you need to temporarily remove a store's visibility to customers. Note, you can have as many production centers or warehouses as you need. Under the Store Contact Information section, we'll add in our email and phone number and fax if applicable. In the Store Location section, we'll need to fill in our physical store address. Next, let's click in the Address field and enter our address info. We'll do the same thing for the postal or zip code. Next, we'll click the Country field and select a country from the drop-down. I'm going to pick Canada for no particular reason. Next, we'll click the State Region drop-down and select Quebec, again, just at random. Now let's click the field next to that, the City selector. Let's select, Montreal for the city. At the bottom of the screen, there is a Save button. Let's click that now to add our new store. That's it, we've successfully added a new store. Be sure to check out our other videos for more information about how to best use your Dakis solutions. You can find that and more at help.dakis.com. Visit today.